Hazrat Abu Saleh Dhakwan has reported from Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu that a woman visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, men get the privilege of listening to your sayings, so you yourself may fix a day for us so that we may visit you on that day, and you may teach us those things which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has taught you. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, you should assemble on such and such day at such and such place. So they flocked together, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to them and taught them what Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had taught him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, there is no woman amongst you whose 3 children predeceased her, but they will be a barrier against hell for her. A woman submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what about 2 children? The transmitter states, when she repeated it twice, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, and even 2, and even 2, and even 2. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7310.